Rise and shine, all I and I's. I just want to come on and show you a little update of the restoration of the Garden of Eden. So as you see, we have some little seedlings popping up. These are the watermelon and squash area, and this is how that green bean is doing. And the succulent is also spreading out, which is so lovely. Like, so this is like a further look up at it. I'm not gonna be too long and winded. And this is the other area, and I'll label it. This is the other area. This right here. So right now we're going to do some sunflowers and marigold. I'm gonna deck this hole out, and we're gonna come right back on. Alright, I'm going to plant 3 sunflowers and 3 marigolds right here. And then we're going to just do some vegetables and herbs and stuff like that right here. I decided to do. And we're also going to do 3 and 3 right here. I'm going to clean that area. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to plant something else in the middle, like some type of herbs or vegetable. And this is going to be marigold. This is going to be sunflower. Alright, Eve, you ready to put the seeds in? Let's put the seeds in. Alright, good job. I had to take my gloves off, but that's what the marigold seed look like. Let me show what the marigold seed look like. Wow. Let me get some more. There you go. Just pick one at a time. Yay! This is what the marigold seed look like. Pardon, right here. Alright. All of the seeds are... And then we're going to put something right here in just a second. Alright, I decided to do peppermint. They're this small. So I'm going to do 2 in a hole, or try to do 2 in a hole. Alright, and now I've covered the holes already. This looks like this is 2.